Welcome to the video session of IT innovations in tourism business. This is the first chapter. In this chapter, initially we understood what is tourism and what is it all about tourism industry. This is the basic thing which we learned in this chapter. Then when it comes to that particular chapter, initially we have seen what is automation. As we all know that automation is the usage of technology to perform tasks with minimal human inputs. Then the first important thing what we discussed is application of automation in different industries. So where we have discussed manufacturing and healthcare, banking and finance, all these industries, how they are adopted technology. Then the next important topic or area which you need to understand is different technology components in tourism. Here we have discussed six important technology components. So each one of you should understand these components very clearly. So the customer facing technology, operational technology, marketing technology, travel enhancement technology, safety and security, and transportation technologies. These are the major elements that you are expected to discuss under technology components in tourism. So the explanation I have given in detail, and further aspects you can refer to the PPT as well as the shared notes. Then the next one I am about to discuss here is access to internet system of broadband quality. This you need to understand, and then you should learn the basic metrics which determines the quality of a broadband. Here we have the metrics: speed, latency, reliability, and upload and download speed, consistency and stability, bandwidth, jitter, and accessibility. These are the things you should be clear about. Then next thing, confidence of using internet. How we can, or how one can boost the confidence of using the internet. So this is knowing this thing is highly essential in this particular industry, because all the stakeholders such as the employees and the customers should be aware of the technology. Then only this industry can navigate into that particular scenario. Then next thing what you need to see is online payment security. So this is an important topic while considering your examination perspective. So here you need to learn how each and every organization should assure the payment security, and how we can enhance the customers confidence on this particular aspects. Here you have to discuss four different aspects, like how the organization is taking security measures, and how the trust and reputation impacts the confidence building, then user factors and risk and barriers. These are the four major aspects that you have to explain under online payment security. Then next come to the technology aided training, entertainment, office functions, and public relations in tourism sector. Here training, entertainment, office functions, public relations, everything we have an understanding, we have a good understanding on these concept. Only thing is that you should be able to explain that how technology is impacting these areas. Then for your understanding, I will be explaining here only the training aspects. Rest everything, even including the training, we have discussed already, but I am just guiding you or training you how to write the answer. First thing is that we must understand what is training. So training is the action of informing or instructing employees on a certain task in order to help them to improve their performance or knowledge. So this is the basic purpose of every training: improving the knowledge or skill sets of an employee. In this particular tourism industry, we must focus on four major trainings. One is for customer service skill enhancement, tour guide training, hotel and hospitality management, travel planning and booking. So when an employee is getting trained in these areas, how technology enhances those training experiences, otherwise how the output of the training will be better with the technology, and otherwise we could say that with the minimum investment how we can get the maximum output with the training program. So here one must explain the technologies such as online learning, augmented reality, interactive games, virtual reality, video conferencing, learning management system LMS. So with the help of these technology, training or learning experience will be more immersive, cost effective, with which the learners will get a real time experience through even the virtual mode. For example, I would like to say that when we are providing the tour guide training, we can use the technologies such as AR or VR that will help them to understand things in a better way. So, this is how the technology impacts the training sector. The similar way you need to explain the impact of technology in office function, public relations also. So in office function we know that the multiple functions, so how technology enhances these functions, this is what you need to understand. So before winding up, I would like to say that this chapter is all about understanding the role of technology in tourism sector. So the basic thing which you need to understand is the important technologies that aids the tourism sector, and you should be able to link between the both. Thank you for listening. Have a happy learning experience.